Hola clase, a ver, hoy en este video vamos a continuar con las actividades de ayer, el 4 de noviembre. Ahora aquí, actividad 5, el amigo ideal. Vamos a ver esta lista de palabras y ustedes van a escribir como 10, entre 10 a 15 palabras. You're going to choose between 10 to 15 words on this list to describe your ideal friend. So take a moment, pause the video, and write the 15 words. Unpause when you're ready to continue. Now that you have your list, I would like for you to think about your ideal friends. And I want you to write an example. For example, if I were to say, mi amiga ideal es alegre, compasiva, inteligente, honesta, talentosa, y cariñosa. You're going to create a sentence. Use between 5 to 7 adjectives. Write about the qualities of what an ideal friend has. All right? This is activity 5. Activity 6, we're not going to do. We're going to skip activity 6. Now here, let's go back. This will be activity 7. All right, this one will be activity 6. I apologize. This will be activity 6. Personas no admiradas. So, we're going to take a look at some of the Disney movies, villains. As you can see here, we see Gaston, Jafar, Cruella, Hades, the Queen, and Ariel. And you are going to write a few sentences about the characteristics of these characters. Okay, so let's take a look at how you're going to do that. All right, so remember, this is activity 6. Now here, you are going to think about a villain, and you're going to write their bad characteristics. All right, so for instance, if we're talking about Gaston. So there are 2 ways that you can write this example. You can say no es and then include a positive characteristic. For example, Gaston no es generoso. Okay, Gaston no es generoso. Or you can do it this way. You can say es and then use one of the negative characteristics that's on our list. For example, Gaston es egoísta. Okay, so now I want you to write 3 sentences. 3 sentences. Choose 3 villains from this photo here, and you are going to write 3 sentences about their characteristics. Now remember, you can include a few sentences with this stem here, no es, and then give a positive characteristic, or you can use this stem in this video, in this slide right here, es, and then give a negative characteristic. Remember, I need 3 examples, okay, 3 sentences. All right, and this will be it for your cuaderno for this week. Adios.